All right, folks, we're going to do number 8. Yep. Let's see what this is. A force F1 has a magnitude of 6 units, acts on an object at the origin in a direction of 30 degrees above the x-axis. So this is going to be the origin. And you have a force, which I'm going to call it blue, has a magnitude of 6 units, acts on an object 30 degrees in the direction above the x-axis. So I think that's another way of saying this is 6 units. This is 6 newtons, or is it newton? Oh, whatever. 6 units, and that's at 30 degrees above. And there's another force, F2, that has a magnitude of 5 units and acts on the on an object in the direction of the positive y-axis. So above the second force in the direction of the positive y-axis. So I think that's another way of saying it's just 5 units up. Alright, so that's 5 units, 6 units. Graphically find the magnitude and the direction of the resulting force F1 and F2. So F1 is going to be 6. So the component for F1 is just going to be 6 cosine of 30 degrees. 6 sine of 30 degrees. And F2, I'm going to write the whole thing, is going to be 5 cosine of 90 degrees. 5 sine of 90 degrees, which is just going to be 5. So all you have to do is add those guys up. So the resulting F, which is going to be F1 plus F2, is just going to be 6 cosine of 30 degrees plus 5 cosine of 90 degrees, which is just going to be 6 cosine of 30 degrees, which is going to be, I think that's just going to be 3 root 3, I think. If you want to write the exact amount, but I'm just going to put the approximate value. 5.20 units, and 6 sine of 30 degrees, so that's plus 5 sine of 90 degrees, that's just going to be straight up 8. It's going to be 8 units, and I think that's the answer. Let me check my work here. I have 9.53 as the result. So let me take the Pythagorean theorem and verify this quickly. 9.53, yep, I was right. Okay, so the resulting F, now since we got the vector correctly, is going to be 9.54 units. And tan inverse of 8 divided by whatever that root 3 over 3 is. The angle is going to be 56 or 57.0 degrees, or 0 degrees. And remember, 57, the resulting magnitude of this vector is going to be this vector right here, and that's going to be 6. It's going to be that angle right there, which is the theta above the x-axis. And I think that's it. Yep. All right, folks, enjoy. Let me know if this helps you.